Another video. Today we have the Harbor Freight new tools. Big shout out to Josh. He is the one that's on top of this, always helping us out, keep in track of the new tools that come out at Harbor Freight, the new sales, the new deals. So big shout out to Josh. You know who you are down in the comments, helping out the channel. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate everybody of you watching and helping out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. So we can buy tools like this, make to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We got a Fortress 26 gallon, 125 or 175 psi ultra vertical. It says vertical shop auto air compressor. So this is one of the bigger ones that they got, 26 gallon. Fortress is a great compressor, guys. They are quieter than most of your regular compressors. These are great compressors. Got a lot of great features. You guys can see all the gauges here. Look at all that detailed. You got the instructions here on the top. You got two different ports here. You can run two different, if you're running nailers, running a shop, you can run two different hoses there, or attachments. That's the engine, the motor compartment on the side. These are really nice compressors, $349. I'm pretty sure there's going to be out coupons for this, and I'm pretty sure we're going to start seeing maybe in the low 300s. Alright, we got the 20 ounce Hvlp pneumatic gravity spray gun, $24.99. So now we're starting to see, like, since all the $9.99, the under $10 gun is very popular, now we're starting to see something similar. These are great guns, especially the $10 one's a great gun if you're doing a small project. You don't want to spend so much. You got $24.99 for this one. I'm pretty sure we'll start seeing coupons for this too. Guys, this is what we were waiting for. Triple bank top chest red 72 inch. So this is one of the, I know we were waiting for a hutch. That's what we're mainly, hopefully we're going to see. I haven't looked at the tools that we're going to get on the bottom, but hopefully we're going to get a hutch. That's what we're waiting for a 72 inch hutch. Guys, this is another tool we're waiting for. A toolbox that sits on top of the 72 inch. The previous toolbox that we were getting for this 72 inch is the 56. I believe it only goes to like right here, or yeah, it goes to like right here, and the rest you got so that was the only one that was available. This was the 72 inch triple bank. We're going to start seeing coupons. I know there's coupons out there where you get 15 or 20% off of the whole store. So those are the coupons, or the US General coupons. This will drop, definitely drop. US General Series 2 is it's a great platform, great toolbox to get into. It's the middle grade of the Harbor Freight. They are not the thinnest. I know there's some other companies out there from the big box stores that make cheaper models, and these are not the cheaper models. These are the middle grade type of thing. I mean, they're not the self-closing, but the gauge is pretty thick. I mean, it's thicker than your average. So you got the blue one right there. That's the 72 inch. All right, you got the black, the green, which is one of my favorite colors. You got the orange, the yellow. You got the KN 95 masks. 2-pack white, $4.99. So these are showing back in stock. I know because of what the Rona out there. It's been raising prices on all these items and pretty much making it really hard to get back in stock. So you got 2-inch hitch mounted D-ring shackle by Hallmaster, $26.99. You got the 3,333 pound capacity, 24-inch by 2 axle strap with D-rings. So I guess if you want to haul like pull somebody or something. So that's a nice accessory. Got the Laguna 2 1/4 suction cup, 15 pound. Yeah, these we already went over on the other video, so be sure to check that out. But anyways, yeah, this is pretty much the big news here. We got mostly all the new 72-inch top chests. Like I said, we'll forget this price. We're gonna start seeing coupons for these. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one.